Angtua Indonesia.
Transfer para kay Fermin.
To Boyd. Passes to Cornelius, driving floater, takes a jump shot. Boyd passes to Cornelius in a fast break. Liserio. Tesalona to Boyd. Boyd passes to Damicog. Damicog powers. Cornelius passes to Boyd. Boyd passes to Cornelius. Cornelius takes a three. Cornelius with three. Cornelius on our side. 15-point lead for LBDL and Salona to Gavin. Gavin drives, kick it out for Cruz. Cruz for three. Airballs that one. And Gavin gets the rebound. Gavin to the middle and